The Dell WD19 docking station is a crucial tool for connecting multiple devices to your laptop. When you experience issues like unresponsive ports or connection failures, resetting the dock is often the first and easiest solution. This video will guide you through the process. The WD19 docking station functions as a central hub, efficiently managing multiple types of signals, including data transfers, power delivery, and video outputs to connected devices. When you perform a reset, it clears the dock's temporary memory buffers and reinitializes all connections, effectively giving the device a fresh start. This process often resolves glitches and errors caused by software conflicts, driver issues, or minor system disruptions, much like how restarting your computer can fix temporary problems. Before you begin resetting your Dell WD19 docking station, it's essential to disconnect all cables safely. This includes the Thunderbolt cable connected to your laptop, the power adapter, and all connected peripherals like monitors, USB devices, and Ethernet cables. Start with the Thunderbolt cable that connects the dock to your laptop. Gently unplug it to avoid any damage. Next, disconnect the power adapter from both the dock and the wall outlet for safety. Remove any Ethernet cables if connected for network access. Disconnect all USB devices, including flash drives and peripherals. Finally, unplug any monitor cables, such as HDMI or DisplayPort connections. Ensure everything is safely disconnected before proceeding to the next step. This prevents any electrical issues during the reset. Now that all cables are disconnected, locate the Reset button on your WD19 dock. It's typically found on the underside or back of the device. Once located, press and hold the Reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will discharge any remaining power and clear the dock's memory, preparing it for reconnection. After performing the hard reset by holding the Reset button, it's time to reconnect the cables in the correct order to ensure proper initialization of the docking station. First, connect the Thunderbolt cable to your laptop. This establishes the primary data connection and allows the dock to communicate with your computer. Next, connect the power adapter to the docking station. This provides the necessary power for the dock to function properly. Finally, reconnect your peripherals such as monitors, USB devices, and Ethernet cables. This completes the setup and allows all your devices to work together. If the reset doesn't solve your Dell WD19 docking station issues, there are additional troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve persistent problems. First, check your device manager for any driver errors. Look for exclamation marks or unknown devices that indicate driver problems with your docking station. Ensure your WD19 firmware is up to date using the Dell Update utility. A firmware mismatch is a common cause of persistent connectivity and functionality issues. Finally, confirm you're using the original Dell power adapter rated at 130 watts or 180 watts. Using incompatible adapters can cause power delivery issues and prevent proper operation. Be mindful of potential issues like heat buildup during prolonged use. The WD19 can generate heat during extended sessions, so ensure proper ventilation and avoid covering the vents. Ensure compatibility, especially when using the WD19 with non-Dell laptops. While it works with Thunderbolt-compatible systems, Dell laptops provide optimal performance. Check for firmware updates and driver compatibility on non-Dell devices. Always use the original Dell power adapter to avoid power delivery problems. Third-party adapters may not provide stable power, leading to connectivity issues or reduced charging speeds. Use the recommended 130 watts or 180 watt Dell adapter. For enterprise users, utilize centralized management tools to facilitate firmware updates. Tools like Dell Optimizer or enterprise management software can handle updates across multiple devices, ensuring all WD19 docks stay current with the latest firmware for security and performance. Docking stations are evolving with trends in hybrid work. Future models will feature faster Thunderbolt speeds, up to 80 gig cassettes with Thunderbolt 5, and improve sustainability through modular designs reducing e-waste. For now, keeping your WD19 updated and performing regular resets will ensure optimal performance. If problems persist, always contact Dell support.